would you care to comment on the, yung lumabas yung nag-recant ng statement sila sa kanya?
Oh, well, there might be another one coming up, the recant of the recant. I am sure. They're the same orders that I'm giving here. It so happened that itong mga ibang police, pack it up. Gaya ng mga pera, because you have to give the police money. Because if they go out and hunt for trafficking of drugs, there must be a selling and a buying. Otherwise, there is no trafficking. Kaya sinasabi na binibigyan sila ng pera. I do not deny that. And kawawa naman yung ulo ni ano. Halika na dito. Inaapi-api ka lang naman nila. Halika rito. Ano ginagawa?
Sa nabinyagan pang nalilimunan ni Ina.
Ano naman ginawa mong sa kilay mo?
Sir, sorry na pa.
Hindi, ganito yan. Lahat, magtanong ka ng lahat na army, lahat ng pulis ng dumaan ng Davao. I give money every command conference. Tapos operating. Ngayon, kung meron silang buy bus, maghingi ng pera yan. Pambili. Kasi kung wala kang pera, walang transaction sa Cebu. Yung iba, binulsa. Tapos sinabi, binibigyan, bakit kami magbigay ng pera sa kanila? May sweldo sila. But yung iba, binulsa yung drug money na pambili, binulsa pa yung pera ng yung poser, kinuha pa yung Cebu, pati yung pera.
Sir, for fairness lang, sir, kilala niyo naman si Las Cañas?
Well, as a policeman, yes. I saw him once, twice a year.
Pero hindi niyo po yung parang sinasabi niya kasi nagbuo kayo ng task force, tapos eventually that was used as a PDF.
Walang task force, tapos kita mo naman dito, I give the orders to the chief. Kay Bato, wala akong bata-bata na gano'n. Even sa military, I just go to the do not make it a habit to call. So, diba sinabi ko, every now and then, do not create a cult. I do not need it. Diba? I said, I do not need it. I do not like it. Wala akong favoritism. Kung anong binibigay ko sa ibang unit, binibigay ko sa kanila.